Welcome to Coronado Springs. Look at a room tour. The room we're staying in is 7121. Let's take a look. Oh wow. Some artwork, nice chair, Keurig coffee machine. Lots of desk space, some drawers, nice Mickey towels. Elevated beds again, pretty popular. You can store all your stuff underneath. Some mini fridge, some drawers. It's a nice touch. Safe, standard room stuff, pop out lights for reading. Adjoining rooms, we are going to use the adjoining room. Little sink, what do we have here? Closet, ironing board. Iron, some storage space. Some spare. Look at the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. It's nice. It's very spacious. I like the artwork, I like the theming. I like it. I like it. I like these doors. Nice for privacy. See what view we have. Cool view. Cactuses, trees. I guess I should say cacti. I bet it looks cool at night. These lamps.